And hey guys, today I'm over here at the Donald's Double Feature Gift Shop. So this is actually located in the All-Star Movies Resort. And as you guys can see, it's all decorated out for the holiday season. Halloween is almost upon us, so they got all the decorations swinging throughout Walt Disney World. But a decent sized gift store. When you guys are coming in, it's actually nicely sized, it's wide open. Now if you guys remember before COVID, this used to actually be jammed up with a lot of racks and stuff like that, but they've thinned things down a lot since then, so there's a lot of open space in here, which is actually good for swinging a camera around. But as you guys come on in here, you can see that it's set up for like a movie theater type thing. You've got your movie lights in the corner over there. You've got your little video screen up there you get to watch. And in the back here, you still have your gift store and your general store. So you got a little mix and match. And because this is the All-Star Movies, it shares gift shop and the actual general store like most of the actual resorts on property. So you've got your drinks, you've got your snacks, your pastries, all that stuff. You've got your alcohol, your sun products and stuff like that. You still have your candy back here, so you do have some gift items mixed in with the general store area. And then coming back around, you've got your hat section, your sprinkled gift stuff that you're gonna buy throughout the middle that are trying to catch your eye with. You got your concession stand over here to give you like the movie effect. And then you're walking around, you've got your backpacks on the wall, you've got your shirts on the wall. It's actually a really nice gift store to come in. This is another one of them gift shops that we like to come over and check out. When I'm in the area, I like to go in every single one of them, so I'll make a stop at every one of the All-Stars just to go in to see if they got any new items and stuff like that, merchandise that we're interested in. And I'm always on the mood for buying a new hat. You know, it's for me, I'm just looking for that 1 in a million hat. Having a hard time. I thought I bought one and it didn't work out, so I'm still looking for that hat item, guys. If you have any suggestions for that weird vintage look or something out of the ordinary, leave it in the comments. If you guys haven't done it yet, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like on the video if you like it, and we're going to give you another once around before I head on out of here. But this is the Donald's Double Feature Gift Store located at the All-Star Movies Resort. Give you a look at the lighting up above like you're producing a movie or something like that. And this is how this one's themed. And if you guys remember back in the day, the carpeting used to be that way too, but now they since then removed all the carpeting, and now you've got the just a basic carpet on the floor. There's your box office up front. And once again, the Donald's Double Feature, and we'll see you guys on the next one.